Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on an Android phone. So if you're having apps that aren't running correctly, or maybe they're taking up too much space in your storage on your phone, in this video, I'll show you how to go into the settings in Android and clear the cache for apps on your Android phone. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply swipe up from the home screen on our Android phone, then scroll down and find and select Settings in the list of apps. Once the settings open up, find and select Apps and Notifications, and then in Apps and Notifications, select App Info. All right, so this will show you all the different apps that you have on your Android phone. All we need to do here is find the app that we want to clear the cache on. So go ahead and select that app. Then once that app opens, select Storage and Cache. So now we have two options. We can clear the storage for that app, or we can clear the cache. And below in the space used area, you can see how much the cache is using on your phone. So this isn't much, only 32 kilobytes. So now all we need to do to clear the cache is select Clear Cache. It'll delete the cache. As you can see, it went to 0. And now you have deleted the cache for that app. So now just repeat the process for any other apps that you want to clear the cache on, and then you have cleared the cache on your Android phone. All right, so that's how you clear cache on an Android phone or tablet. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.